Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday. It's February 21st. Hope you guys had a great long weekend here, or at least were able to enjoy a long weekend here. Kind of a light day today. We got, actually, this week's going to be fairly light as well. We only got a few major economic releases scheduled for this week, and none of it's really today. We do got some minor ones. We got the market manufacturing PMI, so this is kind of one of the manufacturing numbers we look at from the flash numbers for month of February. We get two of these. So the previous reporting came in at 55. So last month it came in at 55. Anything above 50 on these indexes here for these two indexes are basically expansion. Anything below 50 becomes contraction. So these expanded at 55 for the month of January, and it dipped a little bit down to 54.3 for the month of February. Services or non-manufacturing PMI back in January was 55.6, and it dipped down to 53.9. So it had a little bit bigger drop on services than it did manufacturing here. So stock market's up. What we're getting where they're taking their cue from is better expected earnings reports from some major players like Home Depot, Walmart. I think Macy's. Some of those guys came in with some pretty good numbers, and so the stock market's kind of taking on that. Also, some news out of Europe came in. Their PMI numbers in Europe came in at a 5-year high. So obviously that was very good news for Europe, and kind of carried over again, feeling euphoria here in the U.S. Now, the stock market is kind of not going up as much lately. They're kind of slowing down a little bit because, one, they want to see the tax benefits and stuff, but their a lot of their indexes, the numbers, the metrics are kind of showing that they're kind of stretched where they're at right now, and without really much merit to being where they are, it could be at some point getting ready for a turn for the worse. So what that means is that they're going to probably go through a correction at some point. So no matter how good the news might be, they have to kind of shed some numbers and lighten up a little bit and sell off. You'll probably see a bit of a sell off before they'll start buying again. So just be a little cautious. You might see that here in the near future. Also this week, we got the Treasury selling a bunch of treasuries going on. Today we're getting a little bit of help from the Fed buying about 2.45, I think it is, billion worth of mortgage-backed securities. So we're going to get a little help from them today. So speaking of such, we did start off the day below the first resistance level here, the floor here, resistance level. So we started off way down here, but since then we are up. We're currently about 3 basis points lower than where we left off on Friday. So, East Coast, you probably got your pricing in worse. Here on the West Coast, will be pretty much about the same. So the 50-day moving average is right here, right at this resistance level, and right now we're hovering between so we're above the 50-day moving average currently, if we can hold that. And right now we're in between the 25-day moving average here, this green one here, and this red one here, which is the 10-day moving average. So as you can see, the 10-day kind of wrapped up around here. So we're kind of in that range right now. So hopefully we can stay above that and see if we can get a little bit of a spring here going forward, like what we did a couple weeks ago. All right, folks. So pricing here on the West Coast are about the same as where we left off on Friday. If you're on the East Coast, you probably saw pricing for the worst, but it might get a little bit better later in the day here, depending on how the market reacts and stuff. All right. So, anyways, folks, if you that pretty much concludes it. If you guys like to get more updates throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. You can find me at Mike Bjork, and I do post throughout the day here. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.